Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Nature's Glory. Today, I am sharing with you all an amazing hair oil remedy that not only boosts your hair growth but also it reverses grey hair into black hairs. You may have never heard about this oil before, but using this oil for 3 to 4 months will turn your white hair completely black. So if you are tired of using chemical colors, then if your hair has turned completely white due to the coloring of chemicals or you are allergic to the use of these colors, if you cannot use these colors, then just make this oil. By using this oil regularly for 3 to 4 months, you will get the results of your hair. You will say goodbye to grey hair and your hair will start turning black in no time. If you love the video, find it interesting and useful, please leave a like, share and subscribe to help the channel grow even more. Thanks everyone. For this remedy we need eggplant, or it is also called brinjal. Here we take 250 grams eggplant, brinjal, wash and clean them, cut it into small pieces. Eggplants contain healthy enzymes that stimulate the hair follicles, which promotes healthy hair growth. Eggplant is also high in water content, which helps to restore and soften those pesky brittle strands. Leave these brinjal pieces for 2 days. After 2 days we prepare a magical hair oil. In a saucepan we take 250 milliliters castor oil. This hair oil stimulates blood flow and strengthens your hair roots. Castor oil is also an excellent treatment for slowing down the process of premature graying. After 2 days brinjal pieces will turn into brown in color, and they will be more effective. We put those brinjal pieces which was turned brown in color. Next we add most effective herb for hair growth and reverses grey hair, that is Bhringraj booty. Add 3 tablespoons of Bhringraj booty. Bhringraj, known as the king of herbs for hair, stimulates growth, nourishes the scalp, and strengthens follicles. Bhringraj oil is rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin E. This super effective herb is mainly used for hair problems. Let's look at these pieces of brinjal whose color has turned brown. Their color has completely changed. After this we will add brinjal pieces in this oil. We mix all together and keep this saucepan on a gas flame to cook the ingredients. It is ensure that the gas flame is on low heat. Stir in between to avoid burning the ingredients. When all the ingredients are cooked and turn black after cooking, then turn off the gas flame. We will leave this oil in this condition for 2 days. After 2 days we filter the oil with a soft cloth or a strainer. After filtering we got the magical hair oil. How to apply this remedy? Apply this remedy on your hair roots to tip, massage gently for few minutes, and leave it on overnight. Wash your hairs next morning with mild shampoo. For best results use this remedy for consistently for 3 to 4 months with positive vibes. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory channel for more skin and hair care remedies.